Imagine you've got $100 in your account and just 10 trades to have. Every decision matters. There is no room for mistakes. Most traders in this situation trade on emotion, try to guess the market, and lose it all. But I offer a different approach. Today we continue the challenge. Turn $100 into as much as possible. But this time, using RSI, the indicator that helps spot moments of market strength and weakness. Not just the 30-70 numbers, but a combination of signals, levels, and price action. My name is Alexander. I'm a professional trader with over 6 years of experience, and I don't just show results. I trade openly, no cuts, no editing tricks, with real risks. Every entry and exit you see on the screen. But the most exciting part isn't just here, it's inside my Telegram channel. There you will find live streams with real trades, daily entry points based on RSI and MACD detailed trade explanations, and student breakdowns so we all grow together. More than 100,000 traders are already there, sharing trades, posting results, and leveling up as a team. If you want to be part of the process, not just a spectator, the link is in the description and in pinned comment. Join us, that's where the real action is. Alright guys, let's go. 10 trades, real risk, real results. So, first trade is Euro and United States dollar. Slowly sliding to support, RSI near oversold. Waiting for candle close, don't want to jump too early. Green candle confirms the bounce, and I go long. Watching if price holds here. Great start, RSI showed seller weakness, level held the entry. Okay, the second trade is United States dollar and Japanese yen. At resistance right now this pair, RSI almost at 70. We are waiting for reaction, red candle prints, pullback starting. I go short and watching if momentum holds. Perfect reversal from the zone, RSI and resistance lined up. Okay, the next trade is Great British Pound and United States dollar. Consolidating at the top of the channel, RSI rising but not overheated. Waiting for breakout, there it is. Candle closes above the level. I go long here and watching price hold above. Great breakout, RSI helped me to time the move. The next trade is Australian dollar and Swiss franc. Very weak market, RSI near 30. Signal isn't strong, but I try to catch a bounce. And I go long here. Price ticks up, but quickly reverses. Interesting. Yeah, I rushed this one. RSI alone isn't the reason to enter. Needed price reaction first. Trade number 5. Euro and Japanese are testing resistance. RSI high, candles losing steam. And the reversal candle forms and I go short. Watching if market follows through. Beautiful trades. RSI warned early, candle confirmed it. It's United States dollar and Swiss franc. Breaking support. RSI dropping below 30. Waiting for a test. Confirmation appears here. And I go short. And price stays below. Perfect breakdown. RSI confirms seller strength. Our next trade is number 7. Australian dollar, United States dollar approaching support. RSI at the lows. Candles turning green here. And wait for another green candle. And got it. I go long. Watching price bounce. Clean technical bounce, exactly the kind of a setup I like. Number 8 is Euro and Great British Pound at range top, the RSI near 70. Waiting for reversal candle here, and there it is. I short, just need to avoid a fake breakout here. Okay, perfect RSI read, clean signal, quick result. The pre-last trade for today is British pound, Japanese yen spikes up. RSI is overbought zone. We are watching rat candle prints. I short and waiting for the correction to play out. Quick pullback, but timed it perfectly. RSI delivered. And the last 10th trade for today, United States dollar, Canadian dollar sitting at support. RSI just above 30, candle turning green. We wait for close, then enter long, and price moves my way, holding to the end. Solid session finish, guys. Calm trade, clean signal. That's the session, 10 trades complete. Once again, RSI proved to be a powerful filter, but the key was discipline and patience. We caught strong moves, managed a couple of losing trades, and still ended in profit. This challenge isn't about gambling, it's about trading systematically. And if you want to go through this journey with me, join Telegram channel. Daily setups, live streams, real discussions, and trade breakdowns. The link is in the description and pinned comment. Don't wait, join today. See you in the community and in the next video.